Welcome to this channel. Introducing FlaxxaStudios as the ultimate design creation tool for non-designers, allowing you to turn any idea into stunning visuals within seconds. With AI-driven features, you can generate high-quality designs for print-on-demand products, logos, and social media posts without any design experience. This platform equips you to profit from multiple streams by selling your creations on platforms like Etsy and Amazon KDP. Imagine effortlessly producing professional-grade graphics that attract customers and enhance your brand image, all without the costly complexities of traditional design software. Flaxxa's advanced features include an AI prompt generator, background changers, and a logo creator, ensuring seamless workflow and excellent results. You have complete ownership of your designs, enabling you to sell them freely and repeatedly, paving the way to passive income. Don't miss this chance. Join countless others who have transformed their financial futures using FlaxxaStudios and unlock commercial rights to your creations today. Get started for a limited time investment and take control of your design journey now. This is a fantastic offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more innovative products. Enjoy!